What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm gonna unbox the ROCHOBBY's first RC crawler 1/6 Jeep Willys 1949 MB. Now let's unbox it. Oh, here it comes. Wow, look at it. So big. You can see the Jeep Willys ROCHOBBY. Wow. You can see the box. It's so convenient to remove. Here is the specifics. Oh, so big, so stiff, ROCHOBBY. Here you can see, clicks it and then opens. Wow, so beautiful, gorgeous, so big. 1/6. The windshield can fold. Oh, it's easy to take it out. Let's see the manuals, the transmitter, separable transmitter, just like my Kikipedes Tech Dogs 1/18 rock crawler. That's it. So big. Here you can see the ROCHOBBY's Jeep Willys. It's about 324 millimeters wheelbase, just like the 1/10 scale rock crawler. And so you can change the body to the rock crawler bodies. Here you can see the seats are all made of burlap, and the wood box, sorry, it is not wood, it's just plastic. Here you can see the axe and the shovel, and you can separate it from here. And look at the rear, the back tires, and the fuel tank also can separate it from here. Here you can see this is a hook. You can throw a trailer. The dashboard, shifter lever. You can see the mirrors, so shiny, so clear. I even think this is made of glass, not plastic. Here you can see the windshield wiper. It can move. Wow, so funny. Now let's see. There's the hood. It also can open. You can see some engine details, but has no colors. This is okay. The wheel is so big. Now let's marriage. $170mm. Let's see some inside the car. Here you can see. Wow. Look at the interior of the car. Here, it's a brake. So put it here. That's okay. The battery tray. This is my 3S 3300 battery. Perfect fittings. It's oil shock absorber. I think it's a little bit softer, not stiff enough. Soft. The gearbox, and inside is a 550 35 trim motor. This is maybe a ROCHOBBY ESC and the receiver. Let's see. Oh, sorry. The cable is not long enough. Oh no. Let's change another battery. Shield. Let's open the transmitter first. 4-channel, and then open the car. Well, you can see the 3 LED lights or white lights just takes you to the area, the truck's area. 1941. And here you can see the steering wheels. It rotates with the steering. So and you can see the steering angle. The official says it is 42 degrees. The soul is a little bit slower. I think it's strong enough. The third and fourth channel I didn't use. Slowest start up. Sorry, the battery. Let's have a quick start. Wow, so quick. Now, this brace is for the burlap roof. In the future, we will have a roof here to protect the cars. And the ROCHOBBY strip brace is a 1/6 quarter, so you can put your hot toys 1/6. That's like my Harley Quinn to let's see your Harley Quinn fittings. Wow, Harley Quinn. Here you can see, I just can do like this. I think it's so funny. Please make comments down below and I'll see you next time. Bye!